People assets. These are your internal team, your employees and regular contractors. Getting them in means you can assign roles, track skills, and manage their compliance all from one spot. Let's go ahead and hit that download template button. With your Excel spreadsheet open, you can now remove our demo data and start entering your people information. Some fields are mandatory and are titled in red. Others have drop-down options which you pre-populated earlier in the onboarding steps. Let's get your data loaded into GoSite Ready. Hit Next. Drag and drop your file and then hit Next. So the system's performed its validation check. If there's any issues, they'll be listed below with the corresponding Excel line for you to fix. Otherwise, hit Next. Do a quick review and then hit Next. Everything's looking good, so we're going to hit the Start Import button. Import successful. Your people data is now uploaded. You will find this data living in the Our People tab. Go check it out.